Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a coronavirus game in Scratch. So before starting this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, click on the notification bell to get notifications when I upload a new video. Okay, now we'll go to the Scratch website. As the world is suffering from COVID-19, that's why I created this game. So actually I signed in Scratch, so the interface is like this. Now I'll click on create. Creating project. Okay, now I'll just delete this sprite. Okay, now I will upload one sprite. Okay, the COVID-19 virus, this one. Okay, the image you will get it in the link in the description. Okay, the image. Now this is the image. Now it is looking, it is very big, so I will just decrease the size to 10. Yeah, 10 is good. See, small. Now second. Now I will add another sprite here. One person. You can add your own person if you want. Okay. I'll add this one. Okay, this person is too big. Now I'll decrease the size to 50. 50 is good. Okay. Now I will change the backdrop. Okay, I'll just go to paint, convert to bitmap. Okay, then we'll just choose the color to black. Yeah, now it's okay. I will code the sprite. Okay, first I will just code this virus, virus one. This first events, when flag clicked, forever loop, then motions, point towards Shasha because Shasha is the person name. Point towards Shasha. Okay, then move 5 blocks. Okay, if you increase to 10 or like 20, the speed will be fast. Like, see, I'll just show you. See, it's following. See. Now if you increase this to like 50, see, it's very fast. See, it's very fast because we increase the speed. So I prefer you to use 5 because the 5 is the normal speed. Okay, if you want to make this game tougher, then you can make like 10 or 20. Okay, then we'll just code this Shasha. Okay, when flag clicked, then forever loop. Now we will control Shasha with the arrow keys. So just duplicate this 4 times. First will be it's wrong. Not touching mouse pointer. Okay, it's not touching mouse pointer. Okay, it's wrong. By mistake I did. I have to, what's key space pressed? Okay, I just selected this touching mouse pointer, which is wrong. Okay, it's touching key space pressed. That's it. First will be up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key, then the left arrow key. Okay, arrow. Now we will go to motions, then change X by 10. This is right one, right arrow. Okay, right is done. Left one -10. Okay, down. Now the change Y. This is x-axis. Sorry, I'm just showing like this. See, this sleeping line is the x-axis and standing line is the y-axis. Okay, so here change Y by 10 and here X by 10. And now I'll just duplicate this. Minus. Okay, now I'll just check with arrow keys the person is moving or not. Okay, the person is moving fine. Okay, the person is moving fine. Now what we will add? See, just add one more thing in one more code in one more if condition here. Okay, here and just that will be touching COVID-19 virus PNG, this one. If it will touch this, then it should show one message like say, just zoom it if you're not able to see. I am infected from COVID-19. I'm infected from COVID-19. Okay, for 2 seconds. Now we'll see. See, when it will touch, then I'll show you. Okay. Like this. See. Just see. When it will touch, it will show I'm infected from COVID-19. Actually, this is so good, but one more thing we can also add, like this. See. We'll go to motion blocks and we'll go to random position. Okay, go to random position and this also go to random position. Now see, if the Shasha is here and the virus is here. Now we'll just play. See, first it will go to one random position, then it will start. Now when you look closely, see the virus is moving, shaking like this. See, like this, it's shaking. So to fix that, we have to go to virus, then we have to put another if condition. If touching Shasha, then it should stop. Okay, I'll go to control and will not click on stop all. Okay, you can also put stop all. Okay, if you click stop all, if you do stop all, we'll see what will happen. It will be correct, but see, it will not show this message. I'm infected from COVID-19. So we have to put stop this script. And now see, it will just stop this, not and it will just stop this. Okay, not stop this. I found this message, I am infected from COVID-19. I will just play for you. You can also add sound effects, okay, like this. Now not add, okay, it's your choice. If you want, you can add. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. Okay, then subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my new channel, Priyam Gaming. The link will be in the description. Subscribe to my channel. Then here click on the notification bell to get notification when I upload a new video. Thanks.